everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make cucumber tequila shots. Now these are really fun to make. It requires some work, but it's well worth it. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. I'm also going to leave links in the descriptions if you guys want to get this jigger. I'm giving 20% off right now for a limited time. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for these shots we're going to need tequila silver, melon liqueur, sour mix, lime juice, cucumber, and for rimming the shots we're gonna need tajin and chamoy. I'm gonna start by cutting the cucumber. I'm gonna cut the edge. Now I'm gonna peel it. Next, I'm gonna cut the shots. Now I'm gonna make a hole in the middle. And I'm gonna put this in a mixing glass. Now I'm gonna rim the shots with chamoy and tajin. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 ounce of lime juice. Now I'm gonna muddle it. Next I'm gonna add ice into the glass. 1 ounce of tequila. Half ounce of midori. And half ounce of sour mix. Alright, time to shake it. Now I'm just gonna double strain this into the cucumber shot glass. Alright, let's give it a try. Alright, so this tastes so fresh. I can definitely taste the cucumber and the lime. These shots are perfect for a party and they're also fun to make. And best of all, you can eat the shot glass. How about that? Alright, I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the cucumber tequila shots. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more shots like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!